Hey guys, the objective for this video is to determine the centroid of a singly symmetric channel. So let's have a look at the question here. So we've got our channel here, we've got a width of 380, a height of 100, we've got a thickness of 20 on each side, and then a thickness of 10 up the top. And what we want to do is we want to determine the centroid, determine the location of this centroid. So let's quickly review the equations to determine the centroid. So x bar, which is the distance from an arbitrary reference axis to the centroid, is equal to the sum of the areas multiplied by the x distance from that reference axis divided by the sum of the areas. So when you've got a complex shape other than a rectangle, what you're going to need to be doing is you're going to need to be splitting that up into simpler shapes, sometimes rectangles, and then working out what the distance is between the reference axis and the centroid of that rectangle, adding up all of those and then dividing by the sum of the areas of all of the rectangles or other shapes that you've been using. So the same equation goes for y bar, the y distance from the reference axis to the centroid of your shape. So that again is the sum of the areas multiplied by the y distances divided by the sum of the areas. So with this problem here, what we want to be doing is splitting it up into three easy shapes that we already know the centroids of. So with a rectangle, you know the centroid is at the center of the rectangle. So I'm going to split